I know, Bella. Bats can be fun.
Oh, she is so cute. Is something wrong, Mickey?
Well, I don't see anything to clean Bella with.
Ooh, this sounds like a job for a mosquito.
Good idea, Minnie. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles!"
Oh, toodles!
Here he comes. Can we use a shovel to clean Bella? Not really. Can we use a glue stick to clean Bella? Oh, no, that would be sticky. Oh, this means it's time for the Mystery Mouse-Tool. Everybody say, Mystery Mouse-Tool. What's today's Mystery Mouse-Tool? A bar of soap. That'll help us clean Bella for sure. We got ears. Say cheers.
I got it.
Let's all give Bella a bath. Reach your hands out and scrub Bella's head. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
And now, scrub Bella's back. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Pumba, where's the grub? You just can't help yourself, can you?
Sorry.
Okay, but this time show a little self-control.
Finally, scrub Bella's belly. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Fresh as a daisy.
Yay! We got Bella clean. Good scrubbing, everybody.
Aw, she's cold.
We better dry her off.